In this Ticket Tailor tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Ticket Tailor to sell tickets for your event, and I will give you my honest review about if you should be using Ticket Tailor or rather be using a different app or software. So first, how do you use Ticket Tailor? It's pretty simple, and first you need to go to the Ticket Tailor website. Now I'll leave my affiliate link to Ticket Tailor down in the description, and if you click on that link it will take you to this page. It's of no additional cost to you, and I would really appreciate it if you sign up through that link. Now once you click on that link down in the description, you will see this page right here. So you can see they have 4.8 out of 5 stars on Google, 4.9 out of 5 on G2, and also 4.9 out of 5 on Capterra. So they have amazing reviews and they are being used by 80,000 plus event creators. And I'll literally go over everything from signing up to creating your event, setting up your tickets, how you can create multiple types of tickets, how you can do the pricing, how you can get your link, and how you can actually check at your actual event if people have the tickets and if they actually bought them, because that's of course not unimportant. So in order to get started, just click on create your event right here. Now here go and enter your email address. Then click on sign up, and now they have sent an email, so go and open up your email inbox. So this is what the email looks like. Just go and click on the link right here. So then you will get to this page where you want to go and enter your full name and create a password. Now how did you hear about us? Just enter whatever you want. Then go and click on sign up. So now you are being redirected to your dashboard where we can actually get started. So first we are going to create your box office. So in order to do this, first enter your organization name, then your country. This doesn't necessarily need to be the country that the event is in, just enter the country that you live in. Now here for the billing currency, just choose the currency that you use. For example, for me it's euro. Now what are you using Ticket Tailor for? You have a bunch of different stuff you can choose. So for example, a festival, a conference, venue, tour, just pick whatever you want. And if your event type is not in this list, you can just click on other right here, and then you can still use this. Now for this example, I will select live music right here. Now approximately how many paid tickets do you expect to sell over the next 12 months? So let's say that I have 5 events with 200 tickets per event, then that comes out to 1000 tickets, so then I would select less than 2000. Now you want to just go and pick however many you think. You can always click I'm not sure, or if you only want to give out free tickets, then you can click free tickets only. And by the way, if you do free tickets, then Ticket Tailor is completely free to use. And if you do pay tickets, it's also really cheap. You only pay per ticket sold. So now here, what email address do you want questions from ticket buyers to be directed to? Just enter the email address you want right there. Now do any of the following apply to your organization? If you have any of these, then you can actually get a discount. Then you need to agree to their policy and terms of use right here and click create box office. So now we have completed step number 1, which is to sign up to Ticket Tailor. Next up, I will show you how you can actually create your event and how you can do this correctly. So in order to get started, just click add a new event right here. And now what you want to do is fill in this information. So first off, your event name. So just enter the name for your event, and the people that are buying tickets will be able to see this. Then choose when the event starts. So for example, if this one starts on the 5th of June right here at 6 p.m. and it is until 10:30 p.m, then I would enter that right here. If it is a recurring event, you can set that up if you want. Now for the venue name, just enter the name of the place where it is being hosted, the event. So just for example Blues Bar, just enter wherever it is. And it's important that you add the correct address right here so that people know the exact address. Now if the venue name is just an address, then you can simply enter a street name and a house number. Now for the venue postcode, just enter the postcode or zip. And for the country, of course, enter the country that the event is in. Now you can also choose to turn on this is an online event, and then you won't have a location, you just have Zoom or YouTube or something like that. Now for the description, write a little bit about what the actual event is about. So it says you may like to add a short description for your customers. This is used on event listings. So write a little bit about your event, why people should buy a ticket, and basically what the event is about. Now here you can choose or upload an image, and this will also be shown when the people are purchasing their ticket, and I'll show you what this looks like. Now for me, I picked live music, so I'll just pick this one, but you can pick any of these or you can upload your own image. Now you want to go and create ticket types. Now first, to get started creating your tickets, just click on add a new ticket type right here. And if you only have one type of ticket, then you only need to do this once. But for example, if you have live music and you have seats and standing places which have different types of tickets, then you need to add this type of ticket, and then later you will need to enter the different type. So for the ticket name, just tell them what this ticket is. For example, I only have one ticket type, and that's just general admission. But for example, if this were seated places, then you can just set it to seated. Now for the price, just enter the price that you want people to pay to enter the event. For example, 25 per ticket. Now the quantity is the amount of tickets that are available. For example, I will say 200. Now you have some advanced settings right here, so you can add a description. For example, if this were to be standing places, then you could enter a little bit more about that right here to really specify what type of ticket this is. Now you can charge a booking fee. Then for the status, you can set it to on sale or any of these other ones. The minimum per order you can set to 1, maximum to whatever you want. For example, I will say 10. And now you have some more options that you can check out right here. I'll just click add ticket type right here. And now we have general admission 200 tickets. Now if you have multiple ticket types, just click add a new ticket type and then just fill this in again. Now you can even use a seating chart right here, so you can create your first seating chart if you want. Now I'm not going to do this, but if you want to set that up, you can do that through here and then click create your first seating chart. Now here for the event settings, set the time zone and currency, and you can allow customers to make a donation, and you have some more stuff right here, so you can edit the text that people see when they are purchasing their tickets. And you can just check this out as well, see if everything here is to your liking, and then you can go and change it if it isn't. And once you're done with editing everything, click save event. So now we have created our event, or basically our tickets. But now in order to actually get the money, what we need to do is click enable online payments right here. So then it will take you to Stripe, where you can actually go and connect your Stripe account. Now setting up a Stripe account, if you don't have one yet, will only take about 5 minutes. It's completely free to do and super simple. Now I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. So now once you have created or connected your Stripe account, you will see this right here, where you can choose the types of payments that you want to accept. So standard, it's credit and debit card, and Apple Pay and Google Pay. Now you can turn on some more right here, and this is specific to your location, because this one, for example, is Euro only. But for example, I'll just turn on a couple of these right here and then click save. So now your Stripe account has been updated, and we can now actually accept payments. So now what we are going to do is go to overview here, and now we can customize our event pages. So click customize your event pages, and here is where we can actually customize what this looks like. So this is the listing page, and then you also have the event page where people can actually buy their tickets. So you have a map, you have the name and location, and they have the option to actually click buy tickets. Now here on the map, usually it shows where the location of the actual event is. Now I didn't enter a real location, so for me it doesn't show any location here, but you have a couple of themes that you can use here: neutral, classic, royal, pomegranate, carnival, nature, gothic, or you can use a custom one where you can add your own colors. Now I like the royal one right here, so I'll use this one. You can also preview what it looks like on mobile here, and then once you're done, just click on save changes. So they made it super simple to just choose a theme right here. Then once you have saved the changes, just close this right here, and now we can go back to the overview, and the final thing we need to do is to make our event active. So click make your event active and then click publish. Now I'll show you what this actually looks like and what happens next. So right here you will see your analytics, and now what I'm quickly going to do is go to my events here, then open this one up, then click edit events and tickets, and I'm just going to set up a new free ticket so that I can show you what happens when a person purchases a ticket. So I've made one free ticket right here, and now I'll show you a quick preview of what this looks like. So if I click view event page, so this is what the people that will be purchasing the tickets will see. So the name of the event, the location, they will see the location on an actual map right here. And then they can actually click buy tickets / join the guest list. So if they click right here, they can then choose what type of ticket they want. So I just set this one up for free, but usually you will just have the paid one right here, and then they can choose an amount and then actually pay for it. But for now I will just pick the free one and click next. So now you can see right here, so usually they will need to enter their payment details right here, but now I only need to enter the form below. So your first and last name, and then email and repeat email. Then click on next. And now you will see it right here. So now you need to verify I am human, And then once you click here to complete this order, you have now bought this ticket. And now what will happen is that they send the ticket to your actual email. So I'll open up my email right now, and they will receive an email like this. So here are your tickets to the event name of yours, and then on this date. And then they have this ticket with the QR code and the barcode right here. And then how you can actually check if they have a real ticket and if this is an actual ticket that they bought is really simple, and here is how that works. So basically there is an app that you can download on your phone. So just open up the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Ticket Tailor. Then go ahead and download that app, and then you want to go and sign into the same account that you have here on your desktop. So you can see your email under account settings right here. So sign in with that same email, and then you have an option to scan tickets at the actual event. So people will basically show that QR code, and then you can scan that with your code or one of your employees, whoever you want. And then you can check if it is a real code, and if they bought the actual ticket, you can check the name that it's under, etc. So it's really simple, and if a person buys multiple tickets, then they will receive multiple QR codes. Now here in the overview you can now see orders received 1, because I got that one free ticket. You can see the amount of tickets issued and the remaining amount for this specific event, and you can also create multiple events. So I can click add new event to create a new one in a new location with new ticket types, etc. Now here under promote you get your actual link, so now you can actually share this link with whoever you want. And here you also have some HTML buttons that you can actually add to your website. So for example, if you want to add this button to your website where people can click buy tickets, then you want to copy this code right here and add it to your website. Now you also have a website embed code right here where you can actually embed the entire page on your website. And then here under products, you will see your product, so you can click add new product, and then you can also actually sell a product. So for example, you can sell merch or t-shirts, something like that. Then under memberships, you can set up memberships. So if you click add new membership type, you can add some kind of a membership for people. So if you're wondering how much this all costs, in my opinion, it's a very good price. And you can see it right here. So for free events you pay nothing, and you can either choose to prepay or to pay as you go. So prepay, you buy the credits for the actual tickets up front, and basically one credit is one ticket sold. So you can see this is from 28 cents per ticket, and pay as you go is from 75 cents per ticket. So if you click calculate your price here, then you can say, for example, if I expect to sell 1000 tickets in the next 12 months, I can slide this over to 1000, and you can see the more tickets you buy or the more credits, the cheaper the cost per ticket. So here it's 46 cents per ticket sold, and you pay this upfront. However, if you do pay as you go, you pay $290 more, but you don't have to pay upfront, and so then you can really not lose any money on this. And there are no other type of fees or any subscription plans, it's just the credits. So the credits are the amount of tickets that you can sell. So in my opinion, it's a really good price, and again, I'll leave my link to Ticket Tailor down in the description. And to give you my honest opinion and review of Ticket Tailor, I really couldn't recommend it more, because it makes it super simple for you to actually sell tickets with beautiful templates that you can just set up in a couple of minutes, and just the automated tickets sent to their email and the integrated mobile app that you can use to actually scan those tickets. It's super simple, and they have made, in my opinion, the perfect platform to actually do this. So click on the link down in the description to take you to the Ticket Tailor website and get started completely for free, and then just follow the steps that I showed you in this video. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.